Join me as I explore Mount Rainier National Park in Washington. We're now at Mount Rainier National Park. Still need to find out if I'm saying it right. Is it Rainier? Is it Rainier? Is it Rainier? Maybe we'll learn that on our trip, and I'll be sure to let you know when I do. Here's our first glimpse of Mount Rainier. Then we saw Christine Falls. Next up is the Nisqually River. Our first day in the park, we did a lot of driving around and stopping at the different pull-offs to enjoy the views. We saw a lot of waterfalls on our trip, including this one, Narada Falls. Okay, Unicorn Peak is right there. That's cool. And we have the castle, which is right there. Cool. I'm about to cross this. Ah! The next day, we're climbing up Mount Rainier, and it is full of snow. We're not going to be able to do the whole thing, though, because it's too snowy. The calendar may say it's summer, but we sure saw signs of spring and winter while on this trip. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. Hi. There's my bestie. Hello. Mount Rainier is actually an active volcano. It's crazy to think that when it's covered in all of those glaciers. It actually has so many glaciers that you won't find that many on one peak in the whole United States other than Alaska. Check out this little cutie. This animal is called a marmot. It was our first time ever seeing a marmot. They're so cute. Very important rule at national parks is to leave no trace. And that means do not feed the animals. But this chipmunk, he sure didn't care about the rules. He really wanted my snack. But don't worry, I did not give him any. This was definitely my first time being that close to a volcano. In fact, it was my first time ever being by a volcano. And gosh, it was just gorgeous up there. Making a snow angel on Mount Rainier. We saw another marmot on the way down. We weren't able to do the whole Skyline Trail because it just wouldn't have been safe. The further on we went, holes like this could have appeared, and that wouldn't have been safe to walk through. We definitely did not have the equipment needed or the mountaineering skills needed. But gosh, I am proud of us. It was an accomplishment what we did. It was so slippery on that snow, both uphill and downhill. I did it. Went all the way somewhere up there. That was exciting. My legs are very shaky now. But we did it. After our challenging hike, we took a little rest and then got back in the car, and we took a stop at Reflection Lake to see the beautiful views. And then we went just outside the park to the Crystal Mountain Resort, where we took a little ride.
Oh, this is crazy. Wow.
Okay, I'm up in a gondola right now. I may or may not be clutching onto my seat right now. This is, wow, we're going high up. This is crazy. Oh my gosh! This is crazy.
I didn't check one.
It's one. Whoa! That was a weird sound. Wow, pretty view.
We made it to the top. Holy moly guacamole.
We had dinner right up there. There's where we're gonna get on the gondola. Crazy to think we were all the way up there. I can't even see. There we go. Ah, that's my finger. Don't mind my finger. Mount Rainier was our 15th National Park adventure, and I think it might just be our new favorite. We had a great time hiking and exploring here. And as someone who loves snow and colder weather, I was living my best life. Thanks for watching. I hope that you too can get outside and explore.